I'm going to show you how to get wholesale real estate deals really quickly, and we're starting right now. What's going on? My name is Tyrus and welcome to another video. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to buy wholesale houses and flip them for profit, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. I'm going to show you how to get wholesale real estate deals really quickly, and I'm also going to show you how professionals protect themselves against frivolous lawsuits. And don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need help finding wholesale real estate deals. All right, let's get started. So how are you going to take title? Are you going to use your own name? And if you do, the attorney can easily find you. So I don't suggest taking title using your own name. You can use an LLC or you can use a land trust. And the land trust is a lot smarter. Okay, using a land trust is what we do if you're going to be flipping houses. So in this scenario, we have a different document stating the beneficiaries and the percentages that they own, and also that in this document we state that they own this land trust. So there's two documents. There's a public document and there's a private document. The private document basically says this. It states the beneficiaries, the percentages, and the land trust. It names the land trust. And then the public document, it actually names the land trust and the trustee as well. I've got all the forms and the video instructions that show you exactly how to fill this out. And it basically protects you against frivolous lawsuits. This is not a living trust. Most attorneys, they'll create a living trust because that's what they know to do. But there's one really big problem with a living trust, and that is they name you. They put your name in that living trust. For example, let's say it's the Tyrus Gross Living Trust. Well, who owns this trust? Well, Tyrus Gross owns it. Anyone can easily find me and sue me. As opposed to a land trust, you can name a land trust anything, and we normally use the street address. For example, 123 Cherry Lane Land Trust. Well, who owns that? No one knows. Well, we know, but the public doesn't know. The beneficiaries are named in this document, and this is a private document. The beneficiaries are named, the land trust is named, and the percentage of ownership is named. But again, that's private. Very few people know that. This document up here is public, where it actually names the land trust, so it's very cool. All right, so we talked about this earlier, the money partner, using a money partner. The money partner literally saves the deal from falling apart. You do not want to have to go back to your wholesaler and say, sorry, I can't close, I can't come up with 20 grand or 40 grand or 50 grand, whatever you need on those larger, on those more expensive houses. In our example, it was 20,000. The good news is once you flip 2 or 3 deals, you create the seed capital for your next deal, and you don't need a money partner anymore. That's really cool. Now, your strategy when you're talking to the money partner is, look, this is an opportunity. This is not a sales job here. So this is your opportunity to make 112% ROI. And it's secured by real estate. So this is an opportunity. That's your strategy. You're not trying to sell anything. You're just giving them an opportunity to make some really good money. All right, so now I'm going to talk about how to find wholesale deals really fast. Let's get into that. All right, so I've got an advanced training system that I've called Get the Deals Now. And it really lives up to its name. You get the deals really quickly. It focuses on other things, but especially this, quickly finding wholesale deals with lots of equity in it, and also using private lenders to fund these wholesale deals in 7 days or less. Now, think about what this can do for your business and your life. What would it feel like to master this process of flipping deals and flip these deals month after month, year after year for the rest of your life? And don't forget to join my VIP club. We get wholesale house deals all over the country, and we also have access to lenders that will fund your wholesale deals. I'm also giving you a copy of my book for free. Go to freebook.getthedealsnow.com to get your free book now. And if you want to learn how to buy deeply discounted houses and flip them like a pro, start now by hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.